Hi guys, welcome to Gold Today. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember, always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We are going to start our video with the economic calendar. On the economic calendar and from the United States, we will be waiting for the following economic headers to be released: the non-farm payroll for month of August and the unemployment rate for month of August, and we will be waiting for the private non-farm payroll for month of August and average hourly earnings and Fed Chair Powell speech and so many other economic headers with medium to low importance. That's all for the economic calendar. We'll move on now to have a look at the numbers. On the last trading session of Thursday, we have had a trading range from 1506 to 1552. Numbers are rounded and the market is still open. Gold spot is expected to print a closing price above 1518 or most likely 1520. The number is rounded and the market is still open. Gold is trading in a bull trend above its all daily simple moving averages, and what matters about 1520, it's important to close above this number if we want to move up higher. We are overbought on the weekly and monthly charts with high readings, and the supports are seen at 1509, followed by 1500 and then 1490. This is for the supports, and for the resistance levels it's seen at 1525, followed by 1535 and then 1548. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. In our last video, we said that there is so much positivity out there. We got the Brexit delay, we got Hong Kong and China, some sort of a relief started to happen as China decided to withdraw the extradition bill. We got the trade talks resumed between US and China, and we got other factors like the market is so much crowded and the retail market is taking interest into buying gold and silver, and they are overbought. And we got also the fact that silver was so much overbought and crying for a correction. However, we said that both gold and silver won't be able to move up that much high, and if there is a reversal in gold, it could be about $70. Actually, we got a reversal of almost $45, and we could have got $70 reversal of gold, made it to 1570, but it did not. Now what matters for us now, it's the opportunity to buy a worthy pullback. Gold technically must hit back above 1550 by the next week. 1505 to 1490 is the buy zone. You can extend it $10 up, $10 down. You can say 1480 to 1515 spot rate. Gold is still bullish and it still has room to rally, and guess what? This rally is going to take place next week, and it's going to target 1580 to 1620. I said once, any wishful thinking, any nice hope or good nice thinking, hopeful thinking in other markets than the gold is a dip for gold, which we have to buy it as long as gold is still keeping its bullish parameters. We are going to see on the next weekend how the people of Hong Kong are going to respond to what China have done this week. Is it enough for them or no? And I believe it's not, because they have more than one requirement. We also going to see how people are going to realize that a Brexit delay does not mean that Brexit is solved. So we have the same issues. We are talking now about the fundamental, the big major issues that we've been talking about all the time: the recession, the inverted yield curve, whatever, the negative yield environment. This is all still there. This is just some wishful thinking. Moved the risky assets for a few days, maybe tomorrow also a little bit left. After that, everything will come back to reality, because there is a serious problem. It's not solved yet. So I do believe that if gold fell down into 1490 to 1505 and you did not buy it, you really wasted a very important chance. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.